Okay, so I wanted to do a video because I really have had difficulty deciding which silicone is better. And I really kind of want to go through the entire process and figure out which silicone is better during pouring, like to get the most beautiful pours, and which silicone is better when it comes to the finishing, you know, when you have to clean it off with the cornstarch and whatnot, or baby powder, whatever you guys are doing it with, and then finishing it with resin, seeing if I'm still getting those divots and which one does it worse. So I have two tiles that I'm going to use for this particular project. I have a heavy duty silicone by CRC. It says multi-use silicone lubricant. Yeah. And then the other one is the treadmill lubricant. So I want to see which one's going to be better. So I have 4 colors that I'm working with from Apple Barrel. And I have a blowtorch that I'm going to use on both. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and fast forward you guys through mixing up my colors. And then I'm going to scooch my tiles inward here so you can see how they're both going to work. But I'm going to keep these separate. This side is going to have this silicone and this side is going to have this silicone. All right, let's get started. Okay, so just from first glance, it looks like the spray silicone has a lot more separation already happening just with the one color of paint. And the treadmill lubricant one does not have as much. So I'm curious to see how this is going to turn out. Let's see, I'm going to try to layer them the same way in both. Okay, so I flipped them over. Let's just wait just a little bit. This one was trying to run away, so... Oh, this one's kind of starting to run now too. Uh-oh, hair. Gosh, I shed like a freaking dog. My hair is everywhere. Ugh, okay. There we go. So, let's see what happens. Again, this is the treadmill lubricant. Ooh, it's freaking pretty though, that's for sure. Yes. Oh my god, I have to do this freaking color again. Oh, I love it. Ooh, I should probably put gloves on so I can make this an easy cleanup. Don't waste paint, Ashley, hurry! Ooh, these are gonna be some purdy coasters. BT Dubs, they started selling them. So if you guys are interested in coasters, you can contact me on my social media accounts. I could do specific colors for you as well. Most of the ones that I am selling physically though are on Facebook Marketplace. Ooh, that's pretty. The purple disappeared though. So bummed about that. Let's try to keep the purple in this one then. Just tilt and keep it on there. Stay purple. Man, I make such a mess. Okay, well, purple didn't stay too much, but these are still really friggin' pretty. Okay, let's get the runaway one. Okay, this is the spray. Interesting. Ooh, there's a lot of little cell work going on with the spray. I'll try to like wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Keep those pretty colors on. them to come this way and this way. I don't want them to roll over. Whatever. Okay. Honestly, I'm loving all the extra action though that happened with the spray. Oh my freaking goodness. Look at that. How can you not like that? Okay, so freaking beautiful. I love art. I just love this art. I love a lot of art, but this art specifically. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. Okay, so honestly, it looks like the big difference is the size of the cells and the amount of like colors that are able to pop through, because this one, it seems like it really just took to a couple colors. And then on this one, it looks like a lot of the colors pop through. So I'm pretty happy with that. Now, I think my favorite's this one though. Look at that. That's so cool. This might be my second favorite though. It gives me like an underwater vibe, and I love me some sea turtles. So let's see what happens when the blowtorch is taken to it. Not too much extra. So, biggest thing I notice is the size. These are a lot smaller. A lot smaller. So really just have them both on hand. Honestly, depends on the effect that you're going for, but I love them both. I don't think that I could pick a favorite, but let me know. This is the treadmill lubricant. This is the silicone spray. Let me know if you guys have a favorite, at least out of these, or if you have another silicone product that you use at home that you enjoy more, because I know some people use like coconut oil hair serum and, oh gosh, what was the other one? I can't remember. Oh, dimethicone, which I've used and I don't like. So personally, I don't recommend that one. Yeah, but that's it for this episode. So let me know what you guys thought below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Have an awesome freaking day. Okay, so this project, doing two separate silicones, has taught me a couple things, but unfortunately, I cannot tell you how the resin process went because they got ruined. Yeah, so I ended up having a bad resin issue with my EX74 resin, and I am never using it again. I don't know why I decided to use the rest of it. Once I got that art resin, I should not have gone back. But I did, and it was a bad boo-boo. So can't tell you guys about the resin process or how the cleanup worked on the silicones, but I can tell you that they both had very unique, characteristics to each of them, which you guys seen in the video. So honestly, depending on the texture or the amount of cells that you want, that's what you want to go with. It seemed like the one with the silicone spray had tinier cells, and the one with the treadmill lubricant had the bigger cells. So for me personally, I can see using both. So hopefully this tutorial helped you out a little bit and gave you a little bit of insight into which silicone that you should get. I haven't tried out any other ones, like I was mentioning in the video, like the coconut hair serum and whatever else some other people have used. I've just tried these so far, and that's just my comparison of the two. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be finishing up my geode with resin and showing you guys a new geode later. So hope you guys have a great day. Bye!